Go.
Hello, I am Dmitry Mendeleev, a Russian scientist from the 19th century. I ordered the first periodic table in order of atomic mass with the first 60 elements. I'm here to tell you about the current periodic table on this oh-so-spooky night. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
I'm hydrogen, the most simplistic element on the periodic table. The first three groups of the periodic table, excluding me, are alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, and transition metals. These three groups, also known as families, are metals which are ductile, malleable, shiny, and good conductors. Alkali metals are the most reactive, and alkaline earth metals are the next most reactive. An example of an alkali metal is lithium, which the atomic number is 3 and the atomic mass is 6.941. An example of alkaline earth metals is calcium, atomic number is 20 and atomic mass is 40.078. And an example of a transition metal is tungsten, atomic number is 74 and its atomic mass is 183.84.
Okay, stop it, because Jackson.
Rare earth metals are located on the bottom of the periodic table, disabled from the rest of the table so it can fit on one page. Some rare earth elements are radioactive and unstable, others are not. The two parts of the rare earth elements are lanthanides and actinides. Actinides are unstable, radioactive, and some are made in labs. Lanthanides are shiny, reactive, and some are used to make steel. An example is cerium, which is part of the lanthanides. Nitrogen. Boron, carbon, and nitrogen groups all consist of metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Every group has varying properties. The only thing they have in common is that they are all named after the nonmetal in the first period of their group. Boron, number 5 on today's table, weighs 10.811 AMUs and is used for firework flares. Carbon is number 6 and weighs 12.0107 AMUs, and this element is found in rocks and smoke. Finally, nitrogen is the 7th element on the table, weighing 14.0067 AMUs and taking up 80% of our air. That's a lot of space.
Okay, go.
Oxygen is the 16th group on the periodic table. There are 6 electrons on the outer shell, and it's not very reactive. An example is obviously oxygen. Halogens are group 17 on the periodic table and have 7 electrons on the outer cloud. Fluorine is an example of halogens.
Noble gases is group 18 on the periodic table. It has 8 electrons in the outer cloud. It is the least reactive out of all the groups.